Welcome back. So, nearly the entire first half of Vermont is under a snow squall warning. So we'll get to it. This goes until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Includes interstates 89 and 91, highways US 2, 5, 4, and a lot of other highways. We got Richford, Enosburg Falls, Fairfield, Fairfax, Derecho, Hinsburg, Bristol, Middlebury, Salisbury, Brandon, Pittsford, Rutland, Woodstock, Norwich, West Fairleigh, South Royalton, Randolph, Roxbury, Waitsfield, Waterbury, Stowe, Morrisville, Waterville, Eden, Lowell, Jay, Newport, Orleans, Woodbury, Barr, Washington, uh, Groton, Danville, Lyndonville, and West Burke. We may even have a little bit of New Hampshire involved in this as well. We got 271,598 people affected by this. So basically, if you don't need to be on the road, don't be on the road. And outside of that, just stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.